Assalamu alaikum. Today, we will discuss a key concept that are essential to understanding how the procurement process works in SAP. This concept is related to item categories in SAP. It means how the materials are purchased. Item categories determine which process steps and data are needed when a company purchases materials or services. Common item categories in SAP are standard, consignment, subcontracting item, third party item, stock transfer, and service. Standard items are the most common, and the process used to procure them includes the step portrayed in this figure. The initial step is to create a requisition, which is then converted to a purchase order and sent to a vendor. When the vendor receives the purchase order, it ships the materials, which the ordering party receives via the good receipt step. The ordering party also receives an invoice and it makes a payment to the vendor. Another item category is a consignment stock. When a company purchases materials on consignment, it pays the vendor only when it uses or sells the material. For this category of materials, therefore, there is no invoice receipt steps. Instead, settle liability via credit memo. In third party order, the vendor ships directly to a customer. Companies employ third party orders for trading goods such as helmets, some other materials that they purchase and then resell to customers without performing any operations themselves. Because the customer receives the goods directly from the vendor, there is no good receipt for the company itself. Subcontracting material. Under a subcontracting arrangement, a company sends material to a vendor who use them to create semi-finished products. The vendor then sends these products back to the company that initiated the process. In this case, the procurement process includes the additional step of shipping materials to the vendor. Stock transfer. A stock transfer is the process whereby an organization uses the procurement process to obtain materials from another plant within the same organization. Because the entire process takes place within a single organization, there are no invoice and payment steps. Services such as janitorial or landscaping services generally do not involve receiving materials, instead, a mechanism to record services performed. A service entry sheet is necessary. Thank you very much.